Sending money across borders can feel like navigating a maze, especially when you're trying to use multiple platforms like Worldremit, Payple, and Bkash. Let's break down how or if you can make these three work together. First things first, can you directly send money from Worldremit using Payple to Bkash? The short answer is no. Worldremit doesn't directly integrate with Payple as a payment option for sending money. You typically use bank transfers, credit or debit cards to fund your Worldremit transfers. Now, about getting money from Payple to Bkash. Payple itself doesn't offer direct transfers to Bkash accounts. However, a workaround is to withdraw your Payple funds to a bank account. First, make sure your bank account is linked and verified within your Payple account to withdraw. Simply go to your Payple wallet, select Withdraw Funds, and follow the instructions to transfer the money to your linked bank. Once the money is in your bank account, you can then use Bkash's Add Money feature inside the Bkash app. Select Add Money and choose the Bank to Bkash option. Select your bank from the list and enter the amount you want to transfer. You may need to log into your bank account through the Bkash app to authorize the transaction. So, while there's no direct magical link between Worldremit, Payple, and Bkash, you can use a bank account as a bridge. Remember to check for any transfer fees associated with each platform and bank, and be mindful of exchange rates. Good luck transferring your funds.